Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of Gmail, you will click on settings. In this list, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Gmail and you will enter here. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. You will click on storage. You will click here on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.